Hello and welcome to my channel Elegance Makes Life Healthy and Beautiful. PCOS stands for Polycystic Ovary Syndrome and PCOD stands for Polycystic Ovary Disease. These two are nearly similar problems related to our ovary. Both are due to hormonal disorder. After a certain period of time, every woman's two ovaries release eggs in every month. The release of an egg each month is called ovulation. In the case of PCOD, many small fluid-filled sacs grow inside the ovaries. These sacs are actually follicles, each one containing an immature egg. The eggs never mature enough to trigger ovulation. The word polycystic means many cysts. As a result, irregular periods, weight gain, hair fall, and even infertility. And PCOS is a metabolic disorder. In this case, ovary produce higher than normal amount of male hormones or androgen, and this results excess facial and body hair, and also acne, pimples occur. Hair fall, weight loss, weight gain, fertility problem also occur. In this case, ovaries enlarge and contain follicles that surrounded the eggs. As a result, ovaries might fail to function regularly. In future, there is a very risk of high cholesterol and diabetes. What are the signs of PCOS or how to diagnose? Irregular period, unwanted hair growth on face and body, pimple and acne on skin. Besides this, mood swing is a sign. Weight gain and hair loss in this time of menstrual period, pain, cramp, blood clots release, and duration of period exceeds up to 20 to 25 days, and heavy bleeding. Treatment. One treatment of this problem is modification of lifestyle. Treatment of PCOS usually starts with weight loss, diet and exercise. Losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight can help regulate your menstrual cycle and improve PCOS symptoms. Many women see that their period become regular after some exercise and following diet chart. Besides this, there is no particular medicine for it. According to their symptom, hormonal tablets, oral contraceptive pills are given, and this makes their menstrual cycle regular. But this does not mean that their problem is cured. So lifestyle change is the only solution. PCOS interrupts the normal menstrual cycle and makes it harder to get pregnant. Between 70 to 80% of women with PCOS have fertility problems. Their condition can also increase the risk for pregnancy complications. So it is better to think about concept after treating PCOS or PCOD. In addition to this, there is no need to any surgery for PCOD or PCOS. However, doctors do laparoscopic ovarian drilling treatment according to their problems. Diet and lifestyle tips to treat PCOS and PCOD. To treat PCOS and PCOD, you have to follow a regular and healthy diet chart. You have to eat food that does not cause weight gain and make your body healthy. Specialist says that low carb, high fiber, healthy fat and sufficient protein is needed. You have to take brown rice, brown bread, flour instead of rice, which food have low glycemic rate. you have to cook with olive oil or almond oil. If it is not possible, then you have to reduce the oil amount in daily cooking. Intake green vegetables, but leave mango, banana, sugar apple, jackfruit, sugarcane. You have to take good protein. Eat egg without yolk. Do not eat excess oily fish. Eat low fat milk, dal, broccoli, and berries. You have to stay active by doing exercise, walking, jogging, skipping, swimming. So eat regularly and live a sober life to prevent PCOS and PCOD. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be coming back with my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.